Module 3, Databases.
Lesson 3.3, How Applications Use Databases.
Users never talk directly to databases. Applications use a backend as a secure middle layer. Imagine if anyone on the internet could directly open a bank's database. They could read everyone's data or even delete it. That's why databases are never exposed directly to users. There's always a middle layer.
The golden rule.
Browsers and user devices never connect directly to a database. Instead, they send requests to a backend server, which safely communicates with the database.
What the backend actually does.
The backend is responsible for handling requests, enforcing rules, and managing database access.
A real example.
Let's follow what happens when a student opens the grades page in an LMS. Step 1. Request. The browser sends a request to the backend API. Step 2. Authentication. The backend first checks, is this user logged in? Step 3. Authorization. Then it checks, is this student allowed to see these grades? Step 4. Database query. Only after these checks does the backend query the database. Step 5. Database response. The database returns the requested records. Step 6. Safe response. The backend filters and formats the data, then sends only what the app needs.
Why this separation matters.
This separation keeps systems secure and controlled. If users could send database queries directly, they could bypass every safety check.
The complete system flow.
This is how most modern applications are built. The front end talks to APIs. The back end runs logic. And the backend is the main layer that talks to the database. Applications protect databases by placing a backend in the middle. That backend validates requests, runs database queries, and returns only safe results. So far, we've seen how applications protect their data by placing a backend between users and databases. But this raises a bigger question. How do all these parts, the front end, backend, APIs, and databases, actually work together in real time?